Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the fresh food fan connector cover on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new fresh food fan connector cover for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the doors. Then, fully extend the right drawer, tilt it up, and pull it forward to remove. Using a flathead screwdriver, pry the fan connector away from the refrigerator housing. If you need to purchase a new fresh food fan connector cover, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you're searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the fresh food fan connector cover to the refrigerator housing and push until it snaps back into place. Then, reinstall the drawer by aligning and pushing back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this one, please consider subscribing.